TJ, what you doing?
I am touching up dings on my truck.
Paint chips?
Paint chips.
Hold on. Okay, this is
Not really doing all that well. I used a toothbrush to put the other paint on, so
yeah.
it's kind of spotty.
Yeah.
These
Okay.
These are gonna look terrible. Maybe I can sand them down in the spring.
Tell me you can see that turquoise haze all on the side of his truck. Some of it's a reflection from Christine, but the stuff on the hood is not. Can you see that? He was out there for like 10 minutes with the fucking bottle of touch-up nail polish, touching up his truck. And I got the paint. The spray went through the wind. When I fucking painted Christine like 2 weeks ago, the original painting, he's never noticed. Tell me you can't fucking see that blue haze on there. I mean, colorblind is one thing, but blue to white? Oh my gosh. Let me see if the ribs are done, I think. Oh yeah, they're just browning. So TJ would make ribs for football, for Sunday football. And poor TJ didn't even get his ribs finished because they've been low and slow all day. The Bills lost already, and he hasn't even gotten ribs yet. Are you having ribs? Fuck. Oh, okay. He was so excited. He's like, you made 2 racks of ribs? I'm like, yeah. He goes, so I'll get some? I'm like, yeah, motherfucker. You get a rack? I get a rack. How much for a rib? How much for 1 rib? Dude, they are fall off the fucking bone. I browned them. All I have to do now is just drizzle some Sweet Baby Ray's on it. Ooh. Oh, sucky. Spread that shit around. He can smoke his cigar all he wants. I'm gonna smoke this meat. He's gonna come in here and there's gonna be a whole rack of fucking, oh my gosh, they're falling off. They all fall off the bone. Want my ribs? How much for 1 rib? That is gonna be fucking sweet. Sweet Baby Ray's, baby. Sweet Baby Ray's. Alright, let me get them on that fucking platter. I may not even share these bitches. I'm gonna get a plate. I'm gonna start gnawing on them. I'm gonna eat these sitting in my garden. And if he figures out that his truck got paint, oh shit, the bone came out. Maybe he'll forgive me when he tastes these ribs. Holy shit. Oh, I'm bringing a napkin. Oops. Dog will get that. I'm gonna eat a fucking, oh, the other one fell out. Oh my gosh, these are insane. Oh my gosh, they're all the bones are all falling out. Which is fine. Except I would like to at least be able to pick it up by something. Ha. Oh, that's fucking hot. It's so good. Ah. Fall off the bone. And she can cook. Hit like and subscribe. Make nice comments. Ask good questions. Have a good day.